What's up, everybody? Eddie here alongside Ian. First video of 2026. So we got some big news coming. We've spent a lot of 2025 looking at a few things. A couple themes kept coming up. So we've been working on some things behind the scenes. We've had a lot of clients ask some different things, and so, gosh, 9 months into working on this now.
Quite a bit.
Yeah.
3 years of convincing, 9 months into actually doing.
There you go. There you go. So we're excited to announce something. I'm going to let Ian kind of announce it for you.
So Eddie and I are need fillers, if you will. So as we look forward into our business into 2026, a common theme that happened last year for us at least was property management. We've got a lot of folks who are buying investments, and then what do we do with those after we buy them? We are here to offer you full service in the property management business. We're now the proud owners of BellRock Properties, LLC, which is its own independent real estate brokerage. Our real estate stuff, as far as Benchmark is concerned, is not going to change at all. We're still powered by Benchmark. But BellRock Properties is a full-service residential and commercial property management company. I've got 10 years of experience in residential and commercial property management. Eddie's owned quite a few residential places, does a lot of development. So we've kind of wanted to open that door for our clients so that we can offer those services. So if you have anything residential or commercial that you're wanting managed, Eddie's handled short-term. I do a lot of long-term, 12-month leases, but we're ready. We're excited to take on this new year, take on this new challenge, and we're ready to take on business.
Yeah, super excited. I think the thing I'm excited the most about is being able to provide the full service, right? Full circle of service. We've helped people with investments in the past, but now be able to help them find, identify, manage. It's another tool in our toolbox to help take care of our customers a little bit better. Yeah. Super excited about it.
It's almost how many times can you be asked if you provide a service before you're like, yep, we provide the service. Yep. So really honored to be able to do this. Glad we have the clientele to be able to do this with. So if you have anybody, know anybody looking for that service or want a second opinion, we're happy to look at that business for you. So honored again just to be able to help and provide another level of service in the real estate industry.
And if you ever have any questions, let us know. Thank you, guys.